Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying Blender 2, 8 or newer, and enabling the movie clip editor. Open your clip, set the correct frame range and resolution so tracking matches the final render. Once loaded, switch to tracking mode and enable prefetch to cache frames. This speeds tracking. Use corner detection and set sensitivity around 0, 5 to 1. 0 to catch features without noise. Now add 820 tracking markers quickly across different depths and textures, so Blender has enough parallax. Next, you refine individual tracks. Select a marker, use track forward or backward, and correct drift frames manually. Once most markers follow accurately, check the reprojection error graph and delete or retrack points above 1 to 1.5 pixels. This improves precision. Then provide lens data, sensor width or focal length, if available, because it helps the solver. Finally, run solve camera motion and observe solve error under 0. 5 pixels is ideal. If error is high, adjust tracks and repeat. With a good solve, click Setup Tracking Scene to create a Blender camera and background plane so you can test geometry. You must orient the scene. Use set floor or manually rotate the camera until axes align with real-world references, then scale the scene using a known object length for accurate measurements. If things go wrong, retrack or delete problematic markers, double-check lens data, and add more markers in different depths. Repeat solve. Incremental fixes quickly lower reprojection error and stabilize the track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.